Hi bakers! Today I'm going to show you how to make my absolute favourite, a lemon drizzle cake. This is a recipe my sister showed me when I was younger and it's been my favourite ever since. So for the sponge, what you need are 3 large eggs, 220 grams of softened butter, 220 grams of caster sugar and 220 grams of self-raising flour. We're using our wonderful sponsor Home Fries flour today. And then just a lemon to add a bit of zest to the sponge. We'll be needing more lemons later for the drizzle. So all you need in terms of utensils for the sponge is a large mixing bowl, an electric whisk. You can use a wooden spoon but to beat the sugar and the butter together, but it's easier to whisk it. A grater so you can finely grate your lemon zest, and a cake tin that you will bake your cake in. Right, shall we start? So what I'm going to do first is add my caster sugar and my softened butter together and combine it with the whisk. Right, so you want to do that until it's a really nice pale and fluffy consistency, and it'll make it nice and light for our sponge to rise. And what we're going to do next is add our eggs. So I usually add 1 egg at a time and then a spoonful of flour to mix it in so the eggs don't split the mixture. Now your eggs are in, I'm just going to add half of the remaining flour and stir that in. You can use your electric whisk if you want. And then I'm going to add the remaining flour. So I'm going to grate my lemon zest in now. Give that a stir. And now all you need to do is just dollop that into your cake tin. And now your mixture's all in there, just smooth it round. And there you have it, your sponge is ready to go in the oven. I've preheated mine at 180 degrees Celsius. Right, now I'm going to make the drizzle, which is the best part of the lemon drizzle cake. This is what makes this cake so good. What I need for that is 4 lemons, including the one you zested earlier for your batter, and 100 grams of icing sugar. So what we do first is just cut your lemons in half and juice them. Once you've juiced all your lemons, all you need to do is pour your lemon juice into a pan and then sift in your icing sugar. And then what we're going to do is just put this on a medium heat until the sugar and the lemon juice combine to form a really delicious citrusy syrup. And just give it a little stir whilst they're combining together. Right, so now 35 minutes is up. I'm going to check on my cake, get it out the oven and see if it's ready to drizzle. So what we want to do is get a skewer and try and see if it comes out clean, and that means the cake is ready. So now my cake's ready, I'm going to prod it with a skewer a few times so the drizzle can soak into the cake. And then get my syrup and just pour it all over. Now I just want to sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar all over to give it a final touch. And there you have it, a delicious lemon drizzle cake. Make sure you tag us in the creations that you're making and get your friends to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more delicious recipes and competitions. See you later!